today we are at Clearwater Beach, spending a nice family day together, swimming, soaking up the sun, and looking for some awesome seashells. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? Kingsley, what do you think of Clearwater Beach? What do you like about it? Papa's water. Your sister likes the shells, don't you, Kennedy?
I like that.
Hi.
It's shallow, deep, and shallow again.
Shallow, deep, and shallow.
Gotta go the second shallow.
Kingsley, how do you feel about being a merman? Alright, do you think you can get up from it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if you can get up. All right, we are back from Clearwater Beach. Did we have fun, Killian? Did you have fun today, Kennedy? Did you have fun? The kids loved the water. It was a beautiful day. It was 90 degrees.
Hey, watch it.
You're gonna kiss her? That's so sweet. It was 90 degrees. The kids loved being in the water. It was very warm. And we buried Kingsley in some sand and made him have a mermaid tail. So that was kind of fun. And we walked Pier 60, like on the boardwalk. And the boys would definitely want to go back to the boardwalk so they can shop, because they have some really cute little vendors that put your name on a piece of rice and just other little knickknacks.
It's got a bouncy house in the triangle.
It's true, right by the pier they have a bouncy house and other just like kid-oriented things. Yeah, you saw it too.
I want to go there and go.
Yes, we are definitely going to go back to Clearwater Beach. It's not too far, and yeah, thanks for watching.
But we got the TV in the car.
Yes, we do have a TV in the car.
We can see why.
Yes. All right, don't forget to give us a
Big
thumbs up, and we'll see you later.
Bye.